Welcome to another Enjoying Art portrait lesson. 5 years ago, we started Enjoying Art community, and this May is our 5th anniversary. Through the whole month, we're going to have a portrait challenge for our members. On your dashboard now, there is a new section. It's called Member Portrait Challenges. Inside that page, you will see all the references and the full version of the demonstrations. This month, in each of our Friday member meeting, I'm going to show you the techniques of portrait drawings. And our last Friday member meeting hours, I'm going to do the critiques in our review Discord server. If you're not yet a member, please come to join us now. This is our third drawing project in this portrait drawing challenge for members. Let's talk about the materials. This is a toned charcoal paper, have a little bit light brown color. There's a small piece of vine charcoal, paper branding stump, a sepia light, and sepia. One is a little bit lighter, one is a little bit darker. And I also have a white charcoal pencil. I'm going to show you how to draw this photo reference of a baby. Top of the head, I'm going to power set it right here. Just play with the idea first. I can see that the head is like a tilted a little bit this angle. And coming down the body, a little bit coming this direction with this little angle. That make it really interesting. Even bigger, like that. I'm going to take a look at the proportion. And the top over here, that's top of the head. And the bottom of the chin touching line with the neck. Take a look at the angle of the eye. It's very important. The eyebrows are about this much higher. Find out from the eyebrows to the bottom of here, it actually equals to, from the left side of the face to the right side of the face, is right inside of the ear. Put a mark over here. And then rotate it. And that's just a little bit lower than the eye area. Now you can see this is inside the ear over here, and this is inside the ear on the left side. Okay, now we're going to divide the rest of the spaces. Now you can see that in the middle of the chin is about here. To the eyebrows, we can divide into half. That is the nose. The nose quite high. And then the mouth is sitting right in this location. Just draw that shape like this. And we're going to draw the center line. The center line a little bit off to the left side. It's about in this angle. Okay. Now the left side. Here you go. Like that. And the lips, the lower lip, is very soft. Sitting right here. Now we can remove this guideline. Now I can see that as the bottom of the chin, sitting right here. And this side can go, take a look at the angle. And can go a little bit slower. Here you go, like that. And the nose over here have some shadow in the middle. And this has shadow. I'm going to softly blend this sepia pencil mark. The paper already came with a light brown color tone. We can use it as a middle skin tone. And the ear over here, I can shade a little bit on the side of the head. I can shade it a little bit. That's good. Okay, coming over here, this is the, looks like if the face over here, right, that's good. Looks like this is the corner, the side of the face, right over here. And so that it should move in a little bit more, like this. Here you go. That's good. And if we move in this much, it's about a 1/4 inch. Now on this, I'm going to move a little bit 1/4 inch on this side. Like that. And then also move out a little 1/4 inch. Slowly. And there's a little white shade. Keep that right here. That's good. We're going to use the white charcoal to create the color of the white shade. And this come up a little bit. Now take a look at that. It's come down a little bit from horizontal line. That's good. That's good. Now, from here, there's the line. Take a look at the angle. A little bit softly coming down like this. Here you go. And let's take a look at the white shade over here. So that this would be also a 1/4 inch to the right side. Take a look. Take a look how the fold moving. Okay, that's good. Now on this side, you're moving out a little bit as well, like this. And I'm gonna apply the little bit white color over here, just to give some reminder. This is the white color. Now I want to show you a special technique to make sure the angle of the face is aligned correctly. I'm using a red string. You can paint the red color. You can paint the red acrylic color to any color of string to make it red. It's easier for you to see. I'm going to line up the angle exactly like the angle in the reference. Now I'm going to use this red line as the guideline. I'm going to start working to correct the angle of the drawing. Location of this eye in the inside over here, it should be come in a little bit. Okay, that's good. In a little bit like that. Okay, and this side of the eye is about in the right place. That's good. And also add a little eyelid on the top. Okay, now that's good. Let's take a look at the nose. The nose also should come down in this angle. The nose should be over here. Hey, that's good. Like right here. And the nostril. So that means this shape should line up to here. That's all right. And the nostril on this side in the right place. But the side of the nose can extend it to the right side a little bit more, like that. And there's a shadow on this side. Should look like this. That's the shadow area. That's good. Now let's take a look at the mouth. I think the mouth can be a little bit higher. And take a look. The upper lip of the mouth over here, like that. This should be the center. Here you go. And very much right. And on this side, the shadow should be coming in a little bit. And the bottom on the lower lip over here should come up a little bit. That's all right. Let's take a look. Coming a little bit more in. That's good. Give a little shadow, a little shape over here. And this can be a little bit darker, like that. We can use the blender to make it a little bit better. Okay, like this. Okay, I think the angle looks pretty good. Take a look on this side. I think the shape and should be expanded a little bit. And I'm going to light up a little bit in the middle of the nose and the upper of the mouth, like that. That's good. And the nose over here a little bit lighter, like that. And then on this side, it should be the shadow moving out a little bit. On the lower lip over here, take a look at the space between this line and coming over here should be moving a little bit more toward the center. So also I can use the eraser to create the light shape over here. This come in a little bit, the lower lip, the light shape could be right here. And if you figure out all the correct proportion and the location of the shapes, and the proportion would be also get better, like that. And the top here. And take a look at the space between this shape and to the red string, the guideline. Okay, and I'm gonna move the shape from here coming up, and the skin of the child is usually very, very soft and very tender. So using your finger to blend it, and this need to be lighter, so we're gonna have a little white color later on to create a the lighter area. I'm gonna open this up a little bit, and even though that need to be have a little bit darker tone as the foundation,